Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we'll show you how to populate related data from Salesforce into a repeated section. So let's head over to our form, add an element, let's add a section. Let's add in some fields. You can do a text box or an input or whatever you like. Let's duplicate this. Let's add an email field, and another text box, and give it some name. So what we will do here, we'll bring an account with a URL parameter, and we'll repeat all the contacts in that account. So let's give this the first name of the contact. This will be last name. And this will be the account name. Alright, we're all set. Bring in a label. And we'll call this contacts. Style this. And we'll make it bold. Move it down a little bit. And now let's see how we can do it. Let's head over to our Salesforce integration. Our get settings, we're already getting the account by our hidden the account ID, and we're mapping the name and address. Now let's add our contacts. So we're adding a child. We want to bring in contacts. And in our condition, Form Titan already populates the condition, so the account ID on the contact will equal our account. And all we have to do is just set it to all. Let's limit 50 and map in the fields. So let's look for our section first name. Map in the first name, last name, email, and the account name. So we'll go to the account ID and we'll select the name. We'll apply and finish. Let's save this. Publish the form. Let's grab in our field ID, our hidden field ID. So it's FLD31. We'll put this in the URL. Question mark, and now let's bring in our account ID. So this equals to our account, and here we have it. And this is how you do it.